Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Welwyn Drive on this popular residential estate that's lovely and quiet to show you this beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property. As you can see, it's got a driveway to the front, providing off-road parking, along with this well-presented, low-maintenance garden. As we go inside, we go into a porch, which leads on through to a welcoming entrance hallway. This provides access to a downstairs toilet, which is ideal for families. Then we have a spacious family lounge. It's nicely decorated, very light, plenty of natural light flooding in. Then as we head towards the rear of the property, we've got this lovely modern fitted kitchen, and dining space as well. Just a nice contemporary space. To the rear of the property, we've got a good sized garden, which is nice and low maintenance with artificial grass, paving and stones. As you can see, it's not overlooked to the rear. It's nice and private. Like I say, this is a popular residential estate, mainly because of its easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre. So an easy access of good local schooling and well-kept parks too. As we head upstairs from the landing, you'll find 3 good sized bedrooms with fitted furniture to each of them. To the front we have the main bedroom, and we have the second bedroom just through here, third bedroom, and finally we have a nice modern 3-piece family bathroom. Properties in this area do not hang around. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.